everyone, thank you all so much for tuning in and watching these videos. Your support means the world to me. If you like this kind of content, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly videos. People that joined the channel early on, I do promise I'll be getting back to work with the aeros again soon, but for now the Sur-ron is my first ride of choice. I recently tried to change the brakes with AliExpress brakes, but already screwed up my front brake handle and noticed the rear is lacking brake power as well. Luckily the Surron uses regen, which intensity can be modified in the app, which actually slows down the bike by regenerating power. So I'm actually on my way to my buddy's place to have a look at his new toy. Let's hope I'll make it there without too much tailspin or last minute braking situations. The SM motor tires aren't meant for this terrain, so I really need to get some 17-inch off-road tires soon. And I'm also looking for 12-inch or 13-inch Supermoto slick tires. So if anybody could help me or suggest a company who would ship it to me to Europe, please help out. The intentions we had weren't bad, but the mission at least was badly executed. The pilot just wanted to get to know his drone before doing anything silly like follow me or making the DJI breathe down my neck while driving or popping a wheelie. So that might be something for next video. excuus. Alsjeblieft. Ik heb ooit geweten dat het 20 frank was. Maar toen worden we nog in Rotselaar, dus zo, jee, wij moeten geen 20 frank betalen. Ja, dat is op simpel. Tijden veranderen. Dankjewel, ja, voilà. Inflation really got us by the cojones. Prices went up with 8,000% compared to 15 years ago. Although it's all worth it when it's almost 40 degrees Celsius and you like being surrounded by nature. If you like being surrounded by nature, I mean wasps. If you like being surrounded by wasps. Those little creatures are everywhere this year. Probably getting to the most exciting part of the video, our trip takes us to the karting track of Eeklo. Eeklo close to Ghent, Belgium. One of a few karting tracks with electric power karts. I can only imagine the torque and acceleration difference between a gas-powered car and an electric car.
Welkom bij onze kartbaan. Uw veiligheid is onze eerste zorg. Gelieve u aan de volgende regels en de kartrichtlijnen te houden, zodat dit een onvergetelijke ervaring wordt.
So although we found the rides a little expensive, it was hell worth it. Okay. I'm just demonstrating how bad I was the first run and how much I improved near the end. I get it. Yeah, this dude was mad for some reason. I don't know why. You know, the karting track's for everyone, so buh. Ça va? Wat? Vermoeiend? Moeilijk? Ik heb 3 keer gecrashed. Now that's a much better run than before. That's my boy Thomas. His kart literally froze up during the last lap.
That's in. Oh, dat is wel uitgevallen. Geen probleem. Oh, is dat maar toch niet? Oh, spijtig. Uw haar is niet echt nat. Je hebt niet echt inspanning gedaan, precies.
Ja, dat ging sneller mij.
Ja, ja.
De busjes werken goed eigenlijk.
Hij is geweest, voel je wel op je?
Oei.
Serieus? Papa. Oh, jij gaat er nog mee met mij. Dat stuk er is toch wat al.